I'm here to let you know, brothers and sisters, don't lose yourself because of someone who left you. Don't lose yourself because of people who leave you. Most of us, in different angles, in our business, in our families, relatives, co-friends, friends around, in our working place, we have lost ourselves because of people who left us. Why? Because we attached ourselves to them to the extent that it leads us to lose ourselves when they are left us. So have this mindset. Don't lose yourself, your identity, your value, your mentality, your mental, because of someone who leave you. I'm not saying this because I just want to say the speech, but I'm saying this because many of our brothers and sisters, our aunties, our uncles, our fathers, many have already committed suicide because of this. Many have already died premature death because of what people who left them, because we attached our life to them to the extent that it gets to the extent if we lose them, we feel as if our life is totally finished. We make it so hard for us that all our life, all our living, we attach to people. We make people so valuable in our life to the extent that when they left us or when they said no, we lose our life. We lose whom we are. We lose our identity. We forget that we can do anything without anyone's support. We forget that we can do anything at all in life without anyone supporting us. So don't lose whom you are because of people who leave you or because of people who left you. Some of us don't realize, and some of us forget to go to service, to go to church, to go to our business area, to go to one place to another. I have heard and I have seen many young ladies, young boys who lose their life, who died prematurely because of relationship, because of how they attached to relationship. Listen, if your loved ones, if someone you love, someone you are in a relationship does not give you a bright light, even if you attach, even if you give him the best of you, don't lose yourself to the extent that you commit suicide. Don't lose yourself because of people who leave you. Oh my God, I'm getting so upset. This have gone to the extent that many people have died because of people who left them, thinking that they can't do nothing because of who leave them. Brothers, you can do everything. Let them go. Their life is not attached to you as long as they leave you. Many of our sisters have died because of boyfriend and girlfriend. So brothers and sisters, don't attach your life to anyone that is not qualified to handle your life. Don't attach your souls and spirit, your mentality, your mental. Listen, the greatest thing man needs to do to save is your head. Don't get to the extent that you lose your mentality because of people who don't care about you. Because people can be so manipulated. People can pretend so a lot that you yourself will lose yourself for them. You yourself will sacrifice your life. You yourself will sacrifice the light breath of you without knowing that they are pretending to be your lovers. Without you realizing that they are pretending to be your partner. So don't lose yourself because of people who don't fucking care about you. Don't lose yourself because of people who don't love you. Don't lose yourself. Don't forget about your dream. Most of people have died. They live their dream. Most of people have forget their dream. Most of people have forget their goal in life because of people who leave them. So, brothers and sisters, don't lose yourself because of people who leave you. It looks so funny, but it's not funny. Because if you hear how people are dying, how people are giving life, how people are forgetting about their dream, how people are forgetting about whom they are, how people are forgetting that they themselves are more unique, how people are forgetting that the world needs them, how people are forgetting that their family needs them, their brothers need them, their auntie needs them, how people are forgetting that there's someone up there in your family, in your relative, your friends who need you, who are praying day and night for you to succeed and help them. So you lose yourself because of people who you have already attached yourself to the extent that you give out your dream. You forget your dream, you forget your purpose, you forget your aim on earth. So, brothers and sisters, I'm not saying this because I just feel like saying it. I'm saying it because many have already committed suicide, and I don't want that to be repeating itself. Let's give a distance. Let's maintain our royalty. Let's maintain our perspective. The way we allow people to treat us, the way we give people privilege to come into our life and make us feel as if we are nothing. So, brothers, you are important. Don't lose your life because of people who left you. Because if they are made for you, they will not lose you and they will not left you. So keep this in your mind. You own you. That is the only last word I only said. You own yourself. No one owed you nothing.